Good afternoon, one and all present in this online session, that is the valedictory session for the online Atal Academy sponsored 5-day FDP program on advanced construction technology, being organized from 20th September to 24th of September 2021 by the Department of Civil Engineering, Gyani Zail Singh Campus College of Engineering and Technology, MRSPTU, Bathinda, Punjab. So in this session, we are concluding all the 5 days of this online faculty development program. So for this session, our respected chief guest, we welcome our respected chief guest, Dr. Bhuta Singh Sidhu, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Bathinda, Punjab. And the guest of honor for this session is Dr. Savina Bansal, Campus Director, Gyani Zail Singh Campus College of Engineering and Technology, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Bathinda, and she is also holding the position of Dean Academic Affairs, MRSPTU, Bathinda. We also welcome FDP Coordinator, Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Head of Civil Engineering Department, GZS CCT, Bathinda. So, and also we welcome to all the participants that are present and patient. They are hearing all the lectures with full patience, and they are making all the sessions very interactive. So first of all, I request Professor Dr. Bhuta Singh Sidhu sir. Sir, please say a few words regarding this FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Professor Sanjeev. My colleagues and head of department civil engineering, who is also organizing secretary to this faculty development program, the entire organizing team, dear participants, delegates. It is a great privilege for me to be here on this online platform to address this august gathering, who have attended, who have participated in this 5-day Atal Academy Faculty Development Program sponsored by All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi. Just at the start, I can say it is a very good initiative of All India Council of Technical Education, because it is just clear to all of us that All India Council of Technical Education is organizing such faculty development programs, sponsoring to different universities, institutions, through many of the other organizing bodies also, because the faculty development program is a need of our. Even this online technology has made it more easy, the more convenient to all of us to participate in such faculty development activities. Apart from that, this technology has facilitated all of us as being teachers or otherwise as being students, so to happen this online education through these COVID days. Otherwise, I think when there is no possibility of physical mode of classes, it is the technology that prevailed and that has supported us to educate our students in the present kind, and loss of education is not as much as in the earlier times when such type of situations has happened, I can say 100 years back. So this is because of technology. Even this like initiative of All India Council of Technical Education to organize these programs online have further supported us to learn many of the techniques, because when renowned experts will deliver their talks through online mode, and we have a chance, we have an opportunity to learn many of the things from that, how we can make our online classes more fruitful, more interactive, and so that we can add many of the new techniques to deliver a quality education to our students. Even I'm proud to share with you that All India Council of Technical Education have recorded its name in the Guinness Book of Records because of the maximum participation, the maximum delivery of the participants through this online mode, along with I think one company, that is Gubbi Greek Network of IIT Madras. They jointly recorded the name in Guinness Book of Record. So that is also, I think, a good initiative of All India Council of Technical Education to organize such type of quality development programs jointly, as well as through sponsoring to the various institutions. As well as the organizing team is concerned, as being head of department is himself organizing this quality development program. So there is, I can say, it is sure that all the program will happen in a better way, because now you might be able, relative to whatever is the topic, that is construction technology, you might have acquired the latest skills for that particular technology, so that it will enable you to further disseminate this knowledge to your students and otherwise, because now civil engineering is much in demand, and even we have our consultancy cell also, and this construction technology is much related, I think to that also, and it will enable to add many of the new techniques to provide a better, excellent consultancy services to our stakeholders. Because I also know the Professor Rajesh Singla has shared a list of experts. He has arranged a very renowned and experts to interact with the delegates, and surely this 5-day program has updated many of the skills, knowledge of all the participants. Even if we go through a data, because there is a much requirement of these faculty development program that is known as training of trainers, because at the world level, even if I share with you, there are more than, we can say, 9 crore, not a 9 crore, 900 million, that is 90 crore of children, those receive inadequate education. And to provide them a proper education, because of the, we can say, shortage of teachers, we need around 3 crore of the trained teachers, and for their training we need around 3 lakh of teachers, 3 lakh of trainers to train these teachers, so that further they can provide adequate education to the children those are not receiving proper education. As far as the faculty data is concerned, if we can say, the teacher ratio per million of the peoples, we are far behind from the advanced countries, where if we talk about USA, they are having 3,200 teachers per million of their population, whereas in India we only having 456 teachers per million of our population. So it is around 1/8 of that, and in that scenario, the quality organizing of these faculty development program is much important, because we are already having a shortage of teachers, and the teachers we have to train them properly, so that at least they will be able to deliver proper knowledge with proper skills to the students. On the other hand, being as the new education policies came, I have already also requested to all such type of faculty development programs that we might have to organize 1 or 2 such sessions on new education policy, so that in the time to come we will be able to implement this education policy in a right way. Otherwise, many of the policies are framed, and because of the we can say lack of the knowledge, we cannot implement these policies properly. It is a must to implement new education policy in a proper way relative to our requirements, because this education policy is well designed and lead many ways, many paths to provide quality education to our students. So with that, I congratulate the organizing team, rather appreciate their efforts throughout the week to make this program happen in a better way. Even I am contacted many times at the time of inauguration, also at that time I'm busy, and even thankful to the entire organizing team and head civil engineering department, even to provide me this opportunity to interact with the delegates. So thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind and valuable words. And thanks for motivating the teachers to improve their teaching qualities as well, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So it's the time to take the live on camera feedback of randomly 5 participants of this FDP, so that we can understand that what we have done and what kind of improvements we need in further future FDPs of this kind of programs. So I will start with the respected Dr. M.D. Krishna Rao. He is Professor of Civil Engineering, Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Sir, please switch on your camera and microphone and please say a few words.
Good afternoon, one and all. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Bhuta Singh Sidhuji, Vice Chancellor, MRS PTU, Batinda, convener of this week-long FDP on Advanced Construction Technology, Dr. Sabina Bansalji, coordinator, Dr. Rakesh Kumarji, co-coordinators, Engineer Kundan Raoji, Engineer Sukhdeep Singh Ji, Engineer Nirmal Singh Sidhuji, and my co-participants on board. To give my feedback on this week-long FDP, I can say that the topic has been appropriately chosen, and more than the topic, the organizers have been very careful in carefully drafting the speakers and their topics to suit to the theme of the FDP. Starting with intelligent buildings, the new era of today's world, we have been exposed to different areas, smarter materials, waste materials in construction, technologies, newer technologies in highway construction, and advances in green and eco-friendly materials in construction, development of self-compacting concrete, and coming to the practices, construction practices, pile construction practice, advances in pile construction practices by Dr. S.K. Singh, bridge construction practice using incremental launching by Dr. Shardaji. And not only these, initially I was not understanding as to why the topics on welded joints were included, and later on I could convince myself that in civil engineering construction you cannot do away with construction, you do away with welding. We had welded plate girders and welded steel tanks also, welded joints. So it is very much essential for the civil engineer to know about welded joints. The 2 sessions by Dr. Ratesh Mittal, that is material studies in relation to welded joints and material characterization in welded joints, exposed to elevated temperatures. I can say that in this advanced construction technology FDP, not even a single topic that is related to advanced construction, be it in the area of materials and be it in the area of practices or technologies, is ignored. And we are very much satisfied with the conduct of the program by the coordinators, and in particular, Engineer Kundan Rao had been at our back giving the alerts about the attendance links and the joining links. He was very, very prompt in organizing and alerting us with regard to the program. And I can say that we got benefited through this online FDP. Thanks are not only due to the organizers, but to the special conditions prevailing currently. Otherwise, there would have been only 30 participants to this program. And this COVID has facilitated us to attend this program in large numbers. With these words, I thank the organizers for giving us the opportunity to attend this program and giving me the opportunity to give my feedback. And congratulations to the hosting institute. I take leave. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for the appreciation and valuable feedback. So now I request Mr. Sheikh Narula ji. He is Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering, Shri Vedyaniketan Engineering College, Tirupati. Sir, please start your feedback session. Mr. Sheikh Narula ji.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Yeah, I'm here. So, am I audible,
Ji,
sir?
good afternoon, sir.
Is my voice is clear?
Sir, ji, sir,
Yeah.
perfectly.
First of all, a very good morning to everyone. So, I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, so Gupta Singh Sidhu, sir. So, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to give my feedback regarding this 5-day FDP. And I would also like to thank the head of the department, Dr. Rakesh Kumar, sir, to choosing me to give a feedback online, that to a live session feedback. Thank you. So, firstly, let me present myself. So, myself, Sheikh Nurullah from Andhra Pradesh. I was working as an assistant professor at Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College, which is at Tirupati. So, as I am specialized my master from construction engineering and management from SRM University, so this 5-day FDP on advanced construction technology seems to be a very good one to help in this situation where the construction industry has been moving towards the automation. So right, we all know that regarding these construction technologies, advances in automations and everything, it should not only be practiced or maybe should get knowledge only to the engineers. Even the teachers who design the engineers also should learn about these construction technologies and as well as the practices which they are going in the reality affairs and the advances that have been coming in the future. Well, so while coming on to the all the 7 sessions, so I mean 9 sessions of the 5-day FDP, I simply loved all the sessions. So I do not have any complaint to give that this is not good, this is not bad. So everything was very good. But as I thought, if there would have been an extra session on construction equipment, so for what sort of things we need to use the equipment, so what sort of equipment we have to choose for certain activities in the construction, that would have been better if we had have got such a thing. And if you ask me which are the sessions that are being very good, so I cannot judge and I even can't decide which is the best one and which is the not that much up. But if you particularly ask me, so what are all the things that I have impressed regarding all these sessions? So I would firstly say that both the sessions of Dr. Sandhu sir on GIS, like geospatial technologies, and a software training program on QGIS. So they were very good, and also sir has been explained them in a simpler way that easily that could be understandable. Well, coming on to another session, that is sustainability and the role of blended cement by Mr. Shakun Vaijesa from, I think, JKC Cements. So sir also has given a very good lecture on cement, so how we need to use them and what are the advances that has been given into the cement and how we need to follow up on the sustainability in the present generation. So that's what a brainstorming thing for all the engineers who have been constructing some larger projects in India and as well as in the world. Maintaining sustainability, making eco-friendly materials, so very good thing, and also that's a very most important thing for the engineers who are coming into the society and as well as into the industry has to learn about them. And the final one, if I say that advances in green and eco-friendly materials in construction by Dr. Sanjay Sharma. So that was also a very good section. And also there is one more thing, which is the usage of waste materials in the construction, like in the concrete or it may be. That's also a very good thing where this also things deals with the sustainability. I like all the things in it. Except that construction equipment, if it would have been added in any other session, that would become a greater thing. And so I think I have given my feedback to a far extent. So let us finally appreciate the efforts of Mr. Kundan Kumar sir, so for being active in the group and making to remind us about the attendance sheets and the session level and everything. Thank you, sir. And once again, I would like to thank coordinator Dr. Rakesh Kumar sir for accepting me and for asking me to give a feedback on the session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Nurul sir. Thanks for your valuable feedback. We will definitely work on the improvements. Thank you.
Thank you.
So next, I would like to call Mrs. Supriya Prasad Patil ji, Professor at Shri Bhagubai Mafatlal Polytechnic, West Mumbai. Mrs. Supriya Prasad. Ma'am, please. Supriya ma'am, please unmute your mic. Okay. Next we move to Mrs. Jagat Kumari, Assistant Professor, School of Planning and Architecture, Andhra Pradesh. And please give your feedback. Ma'am, please unmute your mic. You're not audible.
Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Right now you're audible.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, convener of this 5 days FDP program, and other dignitaries of this valedictory session, and my namaskar to all the guest faculties of this 5 days FDP program on advanced construction technologies. And I would like to extend my greetings to all the participants of this 5 days FDP program from various universities and colleges of various places of India. Myself, Jagat Kumari, Assistant Professor, Department of Architecture, School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. First, I would like to extend my wholehearted gratitude to the HOD Civil Engineering Department and the organizers of this FDP program, Nani Jayal Singh College of Engineering, Bathinda, Punjab. And I'm also very much thankful to AICTE Training and Learning Academy for sponsoring this program and providing this platform for educating us in several advanced studies which are emerging technologies and very much required for present scenario of construction technologies. I hope this program not only helps faculties directly in their teachings and also helps students indirectly for their careers and in evolving in latest technologies too. I would like to extend my gratitude to Dr. Manjit Bansal sir for educating us in active technologies of intelligent buildings and smart materials, etc. We are also thankful to all the guest faculties who taught us in this 5 days program. Dr. Hari Amit Singh sir for valuable lectures on geospatial technologies and GIS, and Dr. Ritesh Mikal sir, Dr. Shakil Vaidya sir for educating us in sustainability concerns and green architecture and etc. And we are also specially thankful to extending sincere thanks to Dr. S.K. Singh sir and Dr. Bansal madam for educating us on special topics like latest foundations, emerging technologies, and enabling us on role of education and transformation of human consciousness. This is the special topic which is enlightening us, which we don't know about the things in the human consciousness and the effect. Thank you very much, sir, for arranging and providing such a platform FDP in the way of FDP program for educating us in latest technologies, because we have studied earlier latest technology which helps in our students in teachings and for the future having the research of also it helps in all the ways for all the faculties and students. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for your valuable feedback. So now I request Supriya ma'am. Ma'am, is it okay? There is some technical issue. Okay, ma'am is not able to. Ma'am is not able to unmute her mic, so we have missed the feedback of Supriya ma'am. So
it is not resolving.
ब्लॉक्ड है ना, बोल दो वहाँ से अनब्लॉक कीजिए, पॉपअप से अनब्लॉक कीजिए, इनका मैसेज आया।
ओके मैम, वैसे ये ना जो एड्रेस बार दी गई है ना जहाँ पे मीट का लिंक है, वहाँ पे ना पॉपअप जो है ना वो हो रहा है, आपका ब्लॉक हो रहा है, तो उसको अनब्लॉक कर दीजिए। तो नेक्स्ट वी मूव टू Next, we move to Professor G.R. Ayappan, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering, SRM William May Engineering College from Tamil Nadu State.
यार पूछ रही है उनको एक बार और कर दें.
Ayappan sir, am I audible? Ayappan sir, you are not audible, sir. If you have laptop, sir, you can use the mic of laptop itself. If you have personal computer, then you can use the headphones. Okay, there is some technical issue with the Ayappan sir's audio system as well. Okay, Ayappan sir is back. Sir, is it okay now? Professor Ayappan ji?
उनका यहाँ से ब्लॉक आ रहा है, यहाँ से पॉप ऑफ करना फोटो.
No, sir, you are not audible, sir. Sir, your mic is muted. Ayappan sir, your mic is not unmuted. Please
Okay, okay,
unmute.
okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Can
Yes,
you?
sir.
Okay, sir. My voice audible?
Ji, sir.
Okay,
Please
okay,
carry your-
okay, okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry for the interruption. So myself, sir, G.R. Ayappan. I am working assistant professor of SRM William Engineering College, Department of Civil Engineering, sir, Tamil Nadu. So I am not taking for that is longer time for our feedback. So now I tell you for a simple feedback for all the 5 sessions I learned for a lot of informative informations regarding. So currently I handled for PG for ACT Advanced Content Technology. Currently our institute are affiliated to Anna University, Tamil Nadu. So the PG students are offered Advanced Content Technology. Based on in this FTP, I learned these so many for this informative message we learned. So this message is we gathered to deliver to the students, and my simple like my personal my personal like for the FDP I learned for this. This research contribution, that is based on the research we have learned so many of for informative message related for the wastage of materials using or some related of research work I carried. So this is for my personal for feedback, sir. So for all the 5 session, all the 5 days of session is very nice. For I learned that there's so many of information, sir. So for thank you for the overall for involving in this FDP. My personal congratulations and my personal thank for accepting and giving for giving an opportunity for giving my feedback. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your appreciation and valuable feedback. So, the guest of honor of this session, respected ma'am, Dr. Savina Vansal, Campus Director of Gyani Jal Singh Campus College of Engineering and Technology, MRSPTU Bathinda, Punjab, and she is also holding the position of Dean Academics Affairs, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Bathinda, Punjab. So we welcome ma'am, and now I request Dr. Savina Vansal ma'am to kindly say few words.
Thank you, Sukhdeep. So it is my pleasure to share this platform with all the esteemed dignitaries, faculty members from various corners of the country. Really, it was nice to hear such a nice feedback from all of you. Though we know we have our own limitations, and it is not possible to cover such a vast domain of advanced construction technology in just 5 days. But still, I feel in these 5 days, at least all the faculty members, you belong to the same civil engineering fraternity and architecture fraternity. So at least you must have come closer and you must have shared and interacted with each other. And now you must be closer enough so as to keep up this interaction for future works. You can interact for your academics, your research, your consultancy works. So I hope during this 5-day program, you must have learned some outlines of the what is happening in the field of these construction technology, how it can be made use of, and to improve the efficiency of the delivery of the services that a civil engineer is supposed to. So on behalf of Gyani Jail Singh Campus College of Engineering and Technology, thank all of you, especially my civil engineering department, their head of the department who took this lead, the young engineers, Mr. Kundan and Engineer Sukhdeep, who were very kind enough to support in all possible ways. And then I extend my heartiest thanks to the Honorable Vice Chancellor Saab, who has been a leading force behind all these events. And then I appreciate the contributions and the faith that has been posed by All India Council of Technical Education. I especially put my thanks on record for Chairman AICT, Dr. Anil Sahasrabudheji, and his hardworking team, who had such a far-sighted leadership to organize so many faculty development programs, especially in the emerging areas for our technical fraternity in spite of this COVID pandemic. So they are not allowing the system to derail. So I appreciate their efforts. And above all, I thank all the participants from different corners of the country who have been very kind enough to join these FDP programs, and they are available in such a large number even at the valedictory function. Normally, when the 5-day program ends, we leave. But it is nice to see that all the faculty members, they are still there. And I thank you all once and again. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for your kind words, and your never-ending support is very much important for us to organize such events. So now I request Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Head of Civil Engineering Department, Gyani Jail Singh Campus, Bathinda, to kindly say a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Engineer Sukhdev. Now I have the privilege to thank all. First of all, I want to very thankful to Dr. R.K. Soni, Director, Atal Academy, Chandigarh, for sponsoring the funds for conducting this this FDP, without which it was not possible to conduct this type of FDP. I also thankful Dr. Butta Singh Sidhu, Honorable VC, IMRS PTU, as the chief guest, and guest of honor Dr. Savina Bansal, Director, Gyani Jail Singh Campus College of Engineering and Technology, and Dean Academic Affairs, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Bathinda, for their continuous motivation and cooperation in conducting such type of FDP. Without their support, again, it is not possible to conduct this type FDP from our own. So their motivation is very encouraging us. Whole of the team is doing work, but Engineer Sukhdeep Singh Sidhu and Engineer Kundan Kumar Rao, they have done very effort, day and night. They have worked for the successful of this faculty development program. I am also thankful to all the experts, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Agarwal, Dr. Manjeet Bansal, Dr. Har Amritpal Singh Sandhu, and Dr. Dutas Mittal, Dr. Shakun Vaidya from JK Cement Limited, Dr. Sanjay Sharma, NITTR Chandigarh, Dr. Himi Gupta, Dr. Amitpal Singh, AP Professor and Head, NIT Jalandhar, Dr. S.K. Singh from PEC Chandigarh, and Dr. Shalja Baba from NIT Jalandhar, Dr. Manishi Mishra, ABES Delhi, who has delivered a very good lecture on human values. So, directly or indirectly, those who are involved in the conduct of faculty development program, I am also thankful to the whole members of our civil engineering department who are putting their efforts day and night for the last 15 days. At the end, I thank one and all the participants, those who have spared their time and gained the knowledge delivered by the experts of all the experts, and certainly they will get some knowledge about the latest techniques, construction materials, and latest construction technologies. With this, I thank one and all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your motivational speech and welcome करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स का भी हम जो है यहाँ पे बहुत सारा धन्यवाद करते हैं जिन्होंने पेशेंटली जो है यहाँ पे इस कोर्स को सुना। तो हमारा जो फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम है 5-day कोर्स जो है ऑन एडवांस कंस्ट्रक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी, वो सक्सेसफुली जो है आज कंप्लीशन के ऊपर है। सो थैंक्स टू एवरीवन एंड अभी जो है दिस इज टाइम फॉर द क्विज। सो वैलिडिटी सेशन इज ओवर नाउ। So all are requested to kindly solve the multiple choice questions that will be are given in the Google form link. Okay, we are sending the Google form link in WhatsApp group as well as to all the registered email IDs. So we are sending this within 2 or 3 minutes after the completion of this session. So all are requested to attempt the questions within 90 minutes.
5:30.
Okay, so quiz we will switch off the accepting responses option at 5:30 PM sharp. तो 5:30 तो 5:30 PM तक सभी ने अपना क्विज जो है वो सॉल्व कर देना है। सो इतना ही जो है टाइम मैक्सिमम हम दे सकते हैं। वो हमारी भी कुछ लिमिटेशंस है क्योंकि हमने सारे जो रिजल्ट्स हैं अटेंडेंस है उसके बाद हमने जो है अटल पोर्टल के ऊपर वो अपलोड करने हैं। तो एक और इम्पोर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट है, प्लीज सुन लीजिए। एज पर द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ AICTE New Delhi, a participant is eligible to get the certificate if he or she get 80% attendance and in the results takes 60% marks from the quiz. So you need to solve at least 12 right questions from out of 20. And one more thing, to get the certificate, you need to provide feedback. That is the option available in your login ID. When you will log in the Atal portal, तो वहाँ पे in the Atal portal you will get the option of that is known as feedback in the left vertical menu. So you need to put the feedback regarding this program to be eligible to get the certificate. So feedback is very much important after the quiz. So without feedback, Atal Academy does not issue the certificate. So feedback is also important along with the quiz. So thank you very much. We are sending the link within 1 or 2 minutes. We are sending the link.
और any problem Google हम open कर दे रहे हैं, आप लिख सकते हैं।
हाँ. So in case you find any issue or problem in opening the link or regarding the problem in any question or Google form, you can directly send the message in the group as well, or you can call us anytime. So thank you very much.